Hi everybody, welcome to Yagya VM. In this video, we will discuss about the political mapping of North America. Now we will see for USA. So when we talk about USA, all of these places that you are seeing, which is written in orange, are different states. So USA is a federation which was formed by 50 different states. So 50 different states came together. So they thought that we'll form a big country so that we'll get more and more powerful. We'll have a unifying factor also. So that is how all these cities came together to form USA as a federation. So this is which kind of federation? It is a coming together federation. Now the most important state of USA is California. In California, we will find four big cities that are very important here. First is San Francisco, that we call as the Silicon City. Silicon City means what? Like for example, Bangalore is for India because here the IT industry flourished. Similarly, information technology, computers, vacuum tube, transistors, the entire IT industry and telecommunication industry, silicon manufacturing, all of these things started from here. That is San Francisco. So it is the Silicon City of the entire world. Then comes Las Vegas, which is very famous for party, clubs. A lot of people come here to enjoy their evenings. Then comes Los Angeles. Like we have Khandala in India for Bollywood, similarly Los Angeles is famous for the Hollywood. Next comes San Diego. So basically, as you can see, this is the southernmost port city. So whenever a trading has to be done, this will be the first port city that will come in the way for trading with USA via Pacific or even Atlantic and Panama Canal. So San Francisco importance, Los Angeles and San Diego you can see here. So San Diego is the nearest port of trade from the Pacific. Next comes Texas, Alaska. So when we see Texas, Texas is the largest state of USA when we talk about the mainland USA. But if we are talking about the entire USA, then Alaska is the largest state of USA. Now please keep in mind that Alaska is that portion from which USA and Russia are separated, or you can say Asia and North America is separated. So Alaska is the largest state of USA, Texas is the largest state of mainland USA. Now let's see the capital of USA, that is Washington DC. Washington DC is that place where the NASA headquarters are also located. Apart from that, this is New York, which is called as the financial capital of the world. There's another important city here that you can find, that is Detroit. It is the automobile capital of the world. The largest amount of automobiles are manufactured in Detroit. Similarly, Chennai is called as the Detroit of India. Then Chicago, it has a historical importance because a lot of meetings took place over here. A lot of delegations started over here. Similarly, this area that you can find here is Minnesota and Minneapolis. Okay, Minnesota is located on the banks of Lake Superior. Recently, the black and white movement that is going on in USA after the killing of George Floyd happened over here in Minneapolis. Apart from that, when we talk about any country, the most important part is the energy resource. From where does the energy resource come to that particular country? So in USA, the energy resource is Kentucky. Now I think you would have known a little bit about the most important cities of USA. Friends, my name is Yagyasani Patra. I teach on Unacademy Live. This is my referral code Yagya Live, YAGYALIVE. If you use my referral code, then you will get another 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. This is the Telegram link t.me/unacademyopsc. If you join this particular channel, you will get free study materials. Apart from that, you will get video updates about my next videos. For Civil Services 2021, Odisha Foundation course has been launched. So Nirman Foundation course, jaha ki 25th May start hai jaiche. In that, we are preparing students for Odisha Civil Services 2021. I am teaching Science, Tech and Current Affair in this particular course. So what are all my courses on Unacademy? First of all, Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 1 has been already completed. So you can watch the recordings, and my upcoming course Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 2 will just be started in June. So if you want to learn polity from me, you can join me on Unacademy. Then complete Science and Technology for OPSC and other government job examinations. Third, Current Affairs. So weekly current affairs also I am covering on Unacademy platform. This is my referral code YAGYA9, and alternatively you can also use my referral code YAGYA Live YAGYA for getting additional 10% discount. So upon a referral code ko bhi use kari paribe, and you can also use this referral code to get an additional 10% discount. These are my courses, so if you want to learn from me, you can join me on Unacademy Plus platform. The payment pattern is for 6 months it is 5,600, for 12 months it is 7,000 rupees, for 24 months it is 8,400 rupees. So as we know friends, when we prepare for this government job examination, we do not go for one government examination, we appear for many. Similarly, the preparation time is also not limited. We have to keep giving the examination. So according to me, the ideal plan is for 2 years or 1 year, in which not only one government examination like OPSC, but many government examination like OPSC, ASO, CPSC, Police SI, OMC, all kind of government examinations conducted by the government of Odisha will be given due importance, and individual courses will be launched for them. So you will get training not only for one exam but for many, okay, under this single platform of Unacademy. In this fee structure, you will get additional 10% if you use my referral code YAGYA9 YAGYA9, or if you use my referral code YAGYA Live YAGYA LIV, okay, to get additional 10% discount. Apart from that, there is no cost EMI option available for 6 months, 12 months and 24 months on your subscription. Finally, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and let's crack it.